Hey guys, well, this video is just to kind of show you guys how to or how I did install my winch on my Sportsman. My Sportsman is 2020 570. I just bought it today and I just installed it. It's a Sportsman 570. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of videos out there. Of course, safety first, you know. Um, Honestly, I didn't follow the instructions until I opened that little booklet until I needed it. I was like a little bit stuck. And I'm gonna tell you guys where I got it stuck. Well, I'm gonna tell you the steps first. Of course, you're gonna remove the grill. It has four screws in there. If I'm not wrong, it's a let's see, what is it? T27 Torx. That's the one that I used. So I removed those four bolts. That way, it gave me enough space to put my winch in there. So as soon as I put my winch in there, I put these four by hand. It's two on each side. Then I tie them. So I put these four and then I tie them up, and then you know, if it's this, of course, if it's the Polaris winch, it's gonna be a, you know, plug and play basically. So it was just one of, it's a little hard. One of this connection had a little plug in it. Just remove the plug and plug it into the one that the winch came with. And then I run the battery cables, which is the positive and negative. Now let me tell you this, I was trying to run them to the battery, which is back there, and guess what, they didn't reach. So I was like, what the heck? That's when I got to the instructions. I was like, well, now let me look at the instructions. So the instructions, actually, you know what, not even let me back up. I did went to instructions, and the instructions didn't specify what to do with the battery cables. I had to look it up and find out that I had to run the cables here, which is the center console. Just remove four Torx screws, remove this piece, and just run the cables there, put the positive on the positive, negative on the negative, and you're good to cover that back up. And then after I did that, I installed my switch, which is, I love it. You know, I love my switch right here. I love it. Now on the switch, let me tell you this, I did had to you know, on the, well, you should be able to just your switch, you should be able to just put your switch in there, but there's no way. There's no way to just put your switch in there. Not on mine. I mean, I'm talking about me. I have to remove, loose this up, which is the brake. Slide it a little bit that way to be able to fit my winch switch in there. then retied everything. And on the winch switch, same thing. You already have one pre-run cable here, which is remove the plug and plug the switch in there. I mean, honestly, this is the other end of the cable that you plug into the winch. So they just run the cable from here to the front of the Sportsman, which is what, 2 feet maybe, 24 inches, something like that. But well, it make it easier. It definitely helps. Then just just zip tie these, of course. Let's try it. I mean, not really try it, but let's just see how it works. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything back in place. Zip tie the cables right here. I already zip tied the cables that goes to the battery terminals. Just gonna put my cover back in there. What else? I mean, the winch already comes with the let me show you. The winch comes with this base that I ordered on Amazon, but of course I'm gonna return it. So the winch comes with that, so you don't need that. It's, like I said, it's basically just plug and play. And that's it for the video. I mean, just my experience on how I did it, and it's pretty simple. Sportsman 2020 570.